Hey guys, Ray from defenseattorneynow.com. We've had a few questions on how do we develop our keywords. Remember, when you select a keyword, like some of the previous videos have explained, you're not going to go for a general word, uh, sexual assault, criminal charge, or DWI. You want to use something specific where you can actually compete because those general terms have already been taken, and there's other law firms that probably have a history of those and that are going to appear. So use sub keywords such as, don't go for DWI, but use, alcohol breathalyzer resulting in DWI, alcohol breathalyzer losing driver's license, not sexual assault. Use something like, sexual assault investigation, sexual assault polygraph. Don't use, domestic violence, fight at home, fight with wife or police arrest, from fight at home or police arrest for domestic claim. Be specific, use smaller subwords where you can actually compete. Now, generally speaking, once you selected your keywords, you basically want to, the simplest way is to create a blog. Okay. A lot of the average clientele are probably not going to go out and read blogs about the criminal justice system because it's not exactly fun or enticing. Okay, you can create a blog page as a separate page in your website, or even an entirely new hosting service. It's probably better just to do it as a separate web page. Put substantive content in there. Okay, explaining something about a DWI and make people realize that they're also going to lose their driver's license, and there's a difference if they blow or don't blow. Then they'll have a suspended license and have to reinstate and things like that. Explain something of substance. If there's domestic violence, that they will probably lose the right to bear arms. They could even lose the right to vote on certain type of felonies. Explain that even if they get convicted on a drug charge and they go through the drug program, they will still likely lose their license because of the drug charge. Okay, after they plead guilty, which is obviously different than a DWI. Give something of substance that they don't understand, okay? But you want to put it in the written word, okay? So if you make a video on YouTube, be sure to put those keywords in a written summary below the content, okay? Now, in this blog, be sure to put one or two links of this blog that go to your law firm's website. Okay. So again, use the keywords 2 or 3 times in something of substance and value. Okay. And likewise in this blog, have 1 or 2 links to your law firm's website. Okay. So when Google crawls, it realizes that this content is being provided by this firm's website. Now, to keeping it simple, go to your Facebook page, your individual Facebook account. If you're okay with it, copy the substantive item here with the links to your website as well as those keywords. Put it in your individual Facebook. Likewise, duplicate it again and put it on the business Facebook page or the business Facebook profile. And likewise, you're going to do the same thing with LinkedIn, both the individual as well as, I've got a typo here, but I'm not going to correct it right now, as well as for business. Okay. So you're going to do all that. Now, there's other platforms where you can also develop over time: TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, things like that. But keeping it simple, this is something you can do on your own, and then over time you can develop those other ones. And likewise, always use those keywords, keep them consistent, don't blast them just 2 or 3 times. And again, have those other sources, have a link pointing back to your law firm's website. If any of y'all have any questions, we'll happily walk you through this to the best of our ability. We are not digital marketers, but we are happy to help. We are just data outreach services specifically for criminal defense attorneys to help y'all try to get retained clients and keep in the good fight. But anyways, don't hesitate to reach out. We are happy to help. And over the next few weeks, I'll try to put some key terms of what are available or less competitive in different counties throughout Texas. All right, guys, have a great night. Bye-bye.